Viewing file extensions on Windows 11. By default, Windows 11 hides file extensions for known file types, making it difficult to identify the format of certain files at a glance. However, enabling file extensions can be helpful when you need to know the file type, especially for security reasons or when handling multiple file formats. Here's how you can easily view file extensions on Windows 11. Step-by-step guide to enable file extensions. Open File Explorer, press Win-E to open File Explorer. 2. Access the View menu. In the File Explorer window, click on the View tab located in the toolbar at the top of the window. 3. Select Show Options. From the View dropdown, hover over See More Options. 4. Enable File Extensions. From the list, click on File Name Extensions. A checkmark will appear next to this option, and file extensions for all files will now be visible in File Explorer. 5. Verify file extensions. Now, when you view files in any folder, you will see the full file names, including extensions like .txt, .pdf, .jp, .exe, etc. Alternative method via folder options. 1. Open Folder Options. Open File Explorer and click on the three dots, ellipsis in the toolbar. Select Options from the drop-down menu. Go to the View tab. In the Folder Options window, navigate to the View tab. 3. Change Settings. In the Advanced Settings section, find the option labeled Hide Extensions for Known File Types. Uncheck this box to display file extensions for all files. 4. Apply and Save. Click Apply, then OK to save the changes. Why view file extensions? Security. Knowing the file extension can help prevent accidentally opening malicious files disguised as safe ones. Organization. File extensions make it easier to distinguish between similar file types, such as .jp and .png images. File management. When working with multiple formats, such as documents or code files, extensions help you quickly identify the file type. Summary. Open File Explorer and click on View. Go to Show, File Name Extensions, and enable the option. Alternatively, use Folder Options to uncheck Hide Extensions for known file types. By following these simple steps, you can enable file extensions in Windows 11, making it easier to manage and identify files on your system.